Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box, the Technical Trader. It's Thursday, September the 1st. Just ahead of Labor Day weekend, I wanted to show you some of the stronger stocks on our board today, as well as a quick review of some of the new swing trades and some of the box of shorts, which are also swing trades. Starting out with LQDT. Big move today. 30% up, 730 to close at 31.30 and just 50 cents off the high. That's a monster move and a very nice close, although it is at the tail end of the top of the channel here. We may get a pullback. But certainly, if you look at the overall pattern and the thrust and technicals on the heaviest volume almost the stock has ever traded, this was a very, very significant day for the stock, and we'll see if we get a follow through. But if it does back off towards the 29 level, that's your support. SHFL. Shuffle Master also had a significant move, up 13%, $1.15 today, but it thrusted up through the declining tops line and lateral price resistance here. And at this point, may very well make a move on the 11.5 range. That's our next target. Swisher, yesterday popped out, and today went through the 50-day, jumping 56 cents or 12.5%, closing at 502 and just pennies off the high on a thrust and volume of 1.8 million shares. So this could be a stock that may have turned the corner and broken out of this down channel. I'm looking for a move up towards 6 and then 6 3/4, 7. Those are my two targets. Datalink looking real good. If you take a look at the longer term pattern, obviously here's the trend line. And note that these double tops were broken here with a thrust, and then the pullback filled the gap but held right at that gap and bounced around out. Scrolling in on it, you'll see that the stock exploded for another 77 cents or nearly 9% today. And now I'm looking for a retest at 11.5 zone short term. SPRD also with a big pop today, up $1.51 or 8.5%. Volume increased to 2.6 million, but more importantly, it came across this line today. At this point, may make a move or attempt to move at the 23 zone. Loving the action of Mitek, although it did spike up from the under $8 level just in the last 5 days to as high as $12.35 today. Big move. The key is yesterday's breakout and today's follow through. It did back off, but any pullback towards the 10 1/4 half range, probably a buy for a move up into the mid-teens. TVIX, wanted to show you how this is developing. We had a spike up, a flag, another spike up, and now a falling wedge. And I believe this could be a potential opportunity for a fifth wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we do get that wave, it could be a big one. I could see this getting up into the 75, 85 range if it does make a move across the 65 area. My short-term target is 60, secondary target 66, however. That's also a swing trade of ours. AKRX broke out today. I have this big wedge pattern to new multi-year highs and got up to as high as 839 before backing off. Still up and through this point. Volume increasing, technicals as well. I'm expecting a test of about the 8 3/4 level short term. Beyond that, we'll see. Shipping stock Genco had an inside rest date today. It was off 4 cents, but volume receded. The stock is above the declining top line, 50-day moving average, and I'm still looking for a move up that takes this up towards 8 1/4 half. Box of short SMG, which got right up to resistance, fell back today by 61 cents, and it could be the beginning of a pullback that takes it down for a retest at the 44 area. My first target, second target at 40. ANF, which got right up to the declining tops line, backed off today by 96 cents. And if it is the beginning of a new pullback, we may see a retest of the lows around 56, my first target. INFA, which got right up to the lateral price resistance and 20-period moving average, then pulled back yesterday on a reversal day, and today followed through with a downside 90-cent move. I'm looking for a retest of 39, and if that's broken, 36 is the next target. And lastly today is UFS, one of our other box of shorts, which got right up to the declining tops line and the declining moving average and lateral price resistance, and backed away for 294, 3.66%. If it does break down through this level here, which is minor support, we should see a test of the 72 range, followed by potentially a secondary target of 65. That's it for today and this week. You guys have a good weekend.